Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods Pro cushions, ear tips. Okay, so inside we have a case here. I believe I got all the same size. If I can open it. Okay. There's 6 of them, and they seem to be the same size. We've got 2 ends here. As you see, there it is. It's cushiony. And it goes like that. So yeah, it just comes in this case of 6 of them. Because I lose it. Because for some reason it's not staying on for me. But hopefully this size is good for me and doesn't slip and fall off. But yeah, so it comes with this case. And that's it. If you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.